We hear the trumpets from above coming through the clouds, and we see our Father sitting on that throne. We will know that it sounds definitely like home.
Dylan learns the violin. Make sure Dylan learns the
Somewhere just across the Jordan River is a place of everlasting joy and peace. The stream of life is flowing there forever, and a crown of life waiting there for me. That sounds like home to me, like where I want to be. There'll be no tears to fill our eyes again. The hills will echo with the story as we sing of His grace and glory, where the saints of God will be. That sounds like home to me. Tears to fill our eyes again. There's a echo with the story as we sing of His grace and glory, where the saints of God